I really don't know where to start this video from. I've done this a couple of times, but I always just stumble up because I'm really grateful. I've never thought in a million years I would reach 100 subscribers. Okay, 100 people watching my content on a consistent basis. Like, you're on YouTube, you can easily watch a cat flushing a toilet for like 5 hours. You can go on like TikTok. I mean, there's so many things you can do. You can watch prank videos, like so much garbage entertainment. Yet you chose on your behalf that no, I'm gonna try and better my life, and I'm gonna watch personal finance videos to make improvements in my life, to live the lifestyle I want for either myself or my family. And that really makes me respect you, because I understand the type of person you are. You know, you're willing to sacrifice those little useless things. You know, you're not willing to like succumb to instant gratification. You're willing to put in the work, and I really respect that. And as you probably know, we just crossed the 100 subscriber mark, and I'm really grateful for that. Currently, we're on 103 subscribers and 90 hours of watch time. Okay, 90 hours. I feel so privileged. They could have gone, you know, watch the cat flushing videos, any garbage on YouTube, yet they chose to do that. And it honestly is an honor that I can, you know, be of value or service to other people's life. Because many people, you know, they often neglect these things, and it's not often taught in school. So if I'm helping them out, it just really makes me happy and obviously feel honored. And just to show an appreciation for what you guys have done to me, I'm doing a free giveaway. This is the giveaway. And you may be saying, oh, it's just a book. Trust me, this book has everything you need to know if you're investing in property in Australia. Okay, so Property Finance Made Simple by Conrad Bobilac. I highly suggest you get this book. Yeah, I'm going to obviously give you a free giveaway. However, if you're not given, you know, the giveaway, you should 100% purchase this book. It costs like $10 on eBay, or like $15, and it holds every information you need. It includes things like what's a line of credit, what's the difference between that and a redraw facility, what's a DSR, what questions you should ask your mortgage broker, like everyone in your team, like everything. It's a how-to book. And this book will honestly save you so much time, money, and effort. And the thing with the author, obviously, he walks the talk. He's obviously a property investor himself. He also runs a YouTube channel called Real Estate Investors Prime, which I'll leave a link below. That channel also has immeasurable value. He also generously holds a 2-day fast-track workshop in the city. So if you're in Melbourne, I highly suggest you go to his 2-day fast-track workshop. It's free, it's completely free, and you also get free food. What's better than free food? So this is what I'm going to be giving away. To be eligible for this giveaway, what you must first do is like this video, subscribe, and comment below 3 answers for 3 of my questions. And the questions are, firstly, why have you chosen to save, invest? Why? Like, you could easily be buying that car through a loan. You could be wasting your money there on stupid subscriptions. You could be doing a million other things. Why would you do this? And secondly, how you're doing this. That's the second question. So are you going to use property as your financial vehicle, stocks, superannuation? Are you going to use a combination of them? Please answer that below as well. And lastly, who are you? Like, who are you as a person? Where were you brought up, born? Just a brief summary of who you are and what maybe might have caused your mindset to shift a bit into choosing FIRE, which is financial independence, retire early, or just investing in general. I want to know that. Besides that, guys, thank you for watching this video, and thank you for helping me reach where I reached today. It's all thanks to your guys' effort. So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Goodbye.